Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to add new data in pivot table. So let's start. This is my Excel and here you can see I have data. So here I'm going to first create a pivot table. Okay. So to create pivot table, first select the entire data. You can just drag with the mouse and select here entire data. And the second way, select the inside the cell and you can use here the shortcut key Control A to select the full data. Then go to the Insert tab. In tables group, click on the pivot tables option. Then click on the from table or range. And here, one dialog box is open, the pivot table, from table or range. Okay. Range here automatically selected. Then click on the new worksheet and click on OK. And that's it. Here you can see the new sheet is added to create pivot table. With this, the pivot table tabs and design tab also added. Okay. So here I'm going to create pivot table. So I simply create here pivot table. Just drag your fields here in the below areas to create pivot table. See here. So I just drag the amount in values group. Okay. I drag the quantity again in values group category I want in column. So I just shift in category in filters. You just drag here and drop here also. And second way, you can move the fields in different area. Just click on this drop down arrow. And if you want to move to columns, move to values, you can move here. Click on the move to values, move to columns. You can just move here the move to columns. When you click on it, here you can see move. And now I want to move in filter. Just click on this arrow and click on the move to reports filters. Okay, so this way also you can move your fields in this area. Okay. So here I'm going to add the new data in pivot tables. So first you can see that your pivot table is ready. Okay, now I just go to the sheet number 1. Now I add here the new data. So I just add here the one column. Okay, status column. Okay. So here I added the status column. So let's start. So I just go to the sheet number 2 after added the one column. So after added the new data, so you can add the 1, 2, 3, any data here, those you want to add. So you can add the rows also. So I just go to the sheet 2 and here go to the pivot table analysis tab. And here in data group, change data source option. Just click on it and click on the change data source. And here you can see the selection of data is showing. The last column is not selected. For that, you can see with the dialog box is open to change data source. Just click on this arrow and select again the range of data. Okay. So here I select all data with the added data also, and then click on the arrow and click on OK. And that's it. Okay. And now again go to the pivot table analysis. In data, just click on the refresh. Click on this arrow. You can just click on the refresh all also and the refresh also. So just click on the refresh all. And here just drag below and you can see. So here you can see the status column is added. So you can easily add in any area. Okay, so where you want. Okay, so I just add here. If you want to add filter, you can just. Okay, so that's it. So this is the way you can add the new data in pivot table. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.